Hello students, this is a self-evaluation time. All of you completed the chapter, the fundamental unit of life, and this test is for checking your knowledge. So all of you take your pen, pencil or notebook to start this test. So question number 1 of this test is following. Name the scientist who discovered nucleus and when. The question number 1 of this test is name the scientist who discovered nucleus and when. It is of 1 mark. Write down the answer. Question number 2. Write down answer of following question. Write down answer of following question. The question number A is cell division by which chromosome number remain constant. B. Cell division by which chromosome number become half. Write down the answer. Cell division by which chromosome number remain constant. B. Cell division by which chromosome number become half. Question number 3. Why lysosomes are known as suicidal bags? Question number 3. Why lysosomes are known as suicidal bags? It is also 1 mark. Take your time. Write down the answer correctly. Question number 4. Which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of cell and why? It is of 2 marks. Which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of cell and why? Write down the answer. Take your own time. If you need more time, pause the video. Question number 5. Label given parts of plant cell. Label given parts of plant cell A, B, C and D. And this question is of 2 marks. Question number 6. Write down main points of cell theory. Write down main points of cell theory. It is of 3 marks. Pause the video to write down the answer. Now, this is the answer time. I am giving you 1 minute. Within 1 minute, complete all the answers. During giving the answers, I will tell you the keywords. If these keywords are present in your answer, give marks to yourself. The first question was, name the scientist who discovered nucleus and when. So answer is Robert Brown in 1831. If both the answers are right, Robert Brown and 1831, then you give yourself 1 mark. If year is wrong and name is right, then give half mark to yourself. Question number 2 was, write down answer of following questions. Cell division by which chromosome number remain constant? Answer is mitosis. Cell division by which chromosome number become half? Answer is meiosis. If A answer mitosis is correct, then give half mark to yourself. If B answer meiosis is correct, then give half mark to yourself. If anyone is wrong, then deduct half mark from yourself. Question number 3. Why lysosomes are known as suicidal bags? Answer is, when a cell damages, lysosome burst and start eating its own cell. That's why they are known as suicidal bag. So when a cell damages, lysosome burst and start eating its own cell. That's why they are known as suicidal bag. If in your answer lysosome burst and start eating its own cell is written by you, give 1 mark to yourself. Next question. Which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell and why? The answer is mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell because they made energy for the cell in the form of ATP. If in your answer mitochondria is written and energy is formed by the mitochondria in the form of ATP is written by you, then give 2 marks to yourself. Label given parts of plant cell. So different part of plant cells are, answer A is cell wall, answer B is plasma membrane, C is nucleus and D is vacuole. If all the parts are labeled by you correctly, then give 2 marks to yourself. If anyone is wrong, then deduct half mark from yourself. Question number 6. Write down main points of cell theory. The 3 main points of cell theory are, all the plants and animals are composed of cells. The cell is basic unit of life. New cell arise from pre-existing cell. If all these points are present in your answer, then give 3 marks to yourself. If anyone is missing, then give or deduct 1 mark from your answer. So these are the answers of the question. Thank you for watching and evaluating yourself. Keep smiling. Bye bye.